Christmas plum cake is a real treat. It's a festive delight that brings joy to any holiday gathering. First, we get those lovely dried fruits, plump and juicy. This step is crucial for the rich, moist texture of the cake. You'll need a variety of dried fruits. Raisins, currants and sultanas are the traditional choices. We'll use about 4 cups in total. Make sure to measure them accurately for the best results. Chop them up a bit if you like. Smaller pieces will distribute more evenly in the cake. Now, for that special festive flavor, we'll use alcohol. This adds depth and richness to the cake. Brandy or rum is lovely, about 1 cup. Choose your favorite for a personalized touch. Don't worry, the alcohol will cook off, leaving just the taste. This ensures a family-friendly treat. If you prefer no alcohol, use orange juice instead. It adds a fresh citrusy flavor. Put the fruits and alcohol or juice in a bowl. Make sure everything is well combined. Give it a good stir. This helps the fruits absorb the liquid evenly. Cover the bowl and let it sit overnight. This is called soaking. It allows the flavors to meld beautifully. The fruit will puff up and become wonderfully juicy. This is the secret to a moist and flavorful Christmas plum cake. Now, let's make the cake batter. This is the most important part of our cake making process, so let's get it right. You'll need 2 cups of flour, which will give our cake its structure and body. A teaspoon of baking powder to help the cake rise and become fluffy, and half a teaspoon each of cinnamon and nutmeg. These spices add warmth and a festive flavor. These spices make the cake taste like Christmas. The aroma will fill your kitchen with holiday cheer. In a big bowl, cream together 1 cup of soft butter and 1 cup of sugar until light and fluffy. This step is crucial for a tender cake. Beat in 4 eggs, 1 at a time. Make sure each egg is fully incorporated before adding the next. Now add the flour mixture to the butter mixture, a little at a time. This helps to avoid lumps and ensures a smooth batter. Mix until it's all combined. Don't overmix. Overmixing can make the cake dense and tough. Remember those soaked fruits? They've been absorbing all those wonderful flavors, making them perfect for our cake. Add those to the cake batter and mix them in gently. Make sure every piece of fruit is evenly distributed throughout the batter. Now, pour the batter into a greased and lined cake tin. This will help the cake come out easily once it's baked. Pop it into the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 150 degrees Celsius, and bake for approximately 3 hours. The slow baking process ensures a moist and flavorful cake. To check if it's done, poke a skewer into the center. This is a crucial step to ensure your cake is perfectly baked. If it comes out clean, your cake is ready. Let it cool on a rack before slicing and serving. Enjoy your homemade Christmas delight. Let the cake cool completely before you frost it. You can make a simple glaze with powdered sugar and a little milk or lemon juice. Spread it evenly over the cooled cake. Store your Christmas plum cake in an airtight container. It will last for several weeks, but it's so delicious it might not last that long.